Hello and happy Monday to you. I'm wearing this tie. It's the closest thing I have to the Chicago Bears, and they play tonight against the Rams. So go Bears for those of us in the Chicago metropolitan area that are Bears fans. Today's topic is, how should you purchase your health insurance? Well, there's a number of ways that you can purchase your health insurance. Number one, you can go directly to the insurance company, their 800 number, their call center, and get your insurance. Number two, you can go to the internet yourself and purchase it yourself. And number three, you can use someone like me, an experienced independent insurance agent. You know, every year after open enrollment comes to an end, a month or two later, I always have somebody calling me up trying to figure out what their situation is. They've got a big problem. They've purchased the wrong type of insurance for their situation. One that was really notable was a young girl comes in. She was on a $500 a month prescription. She bought a policy with a $6,000 deductible without a drug card. And she says to me, what can I do? Well, you know what? There's really nothing you can do at this point. Why did you buy this particular policy? Well, it was the cheapest. Well, you know what? There's no saying. You get what you pay for. If she had spent $75 a month more, she would have taken that deductible from $6,000 at that time down to about $2,500, and she would have gotten a drug card that would have allowed her to have her prescription filled for just $30 a month. To understand about Obamacare. Obamacare is touted as being one of these great things that you'll always hear the exception of somebody who got coverage for a health issue. But Obamacare, when it's all said and done, is very, very unforgiving. Obamacare says that you have to fit into this particular box, and if you don't fit into that particular box, too bad for you until next year. That's the part that the politicians won't tell you about Obamacare, but an independent insurance agent with professional experience will tell you. So let's discuss the first two options of how you can buy your insurance. Number one is you can call the call center. The people at the call center are very good, hardworking, honest people, I'm sure. However, they may not have your best interests at heart. They don't live and work in your community many times, and they're concerned about selling their particular insurance company's insurance product, which may not be what you need. If you call the marketplace for your under 65 health insurance, but they don't live in your community. And once again, the marketplace personnel can't assist you in selecting a product. They can assist you in the enrollment process, but not the election. If they give you any type of insurance advice, they have violated federal law and outside of the scope of their job. So let's look at the independent insurance agent. I'll take a look at myself. I'm a good example. To get this job, I had to have an insurance license. That meant I had to study and pass an exam. And then to keep my job, I have to do continuing education. I'm required 24 hours every 2 years. It's not much. To be honest with you, if you're going to stay in this job, 24 hours is absolutely nothing. You just get that information by attrition. I have to do an ethics class. I have to do a money laundering class to keep my job. Also, I have to purchase something that's called E&O. E&O, think of it like a doctor's malpractice insurance. My expenses are my office, my support staff, and I have to stay current with all the insurance companies. Time an insurance company comes out with a new product, I have to read up on it, study it, assimilate it, and make sure that I know its marketplace. Now, let's talk about also what goes on every year for the senior citizens. Every year we have to be recertified to be able to sell Medicare Advantage plans and prescription drug plans. If we don't pass our certification every year, then whoops, they come in and they take over our business. But now, Mark, you might say, what about the Medicare supplements? Well, some of my insurance companies require me to be re-educated every year on Medicare supplements. What does this all mean? This all means that because I do business with multiple insurance companies, each company requires me to pass their certification. Therefore, I know all about every insurance company I represent, which just isn't one company. So, like I said, As an independent agent, we represent a number of insurance companies. No matter what the product, I have more than one insurance company to offer. I also know the underwriting and the particular personalities of each individual insurance company. I know how claims are processed. So this is a big advantage to you if you use me as an independent insurance agent. If you have trouble with claims, now I'm not saying I pay claims, but I know the ins and the outs. I can assist you. HIPAA does limit my ability to help you, but I can assist you. Now, I've actually had some people tell me, well, I don't want to use an independent insurance agent because you guys make a commission. Well, whether you use me as an independent insurance agent, you go directly to the marketplace, you go directly to the 800 call center, or you purchase it on your own through the internet, the premium is the exact same premium. There is a difference though. The difference is if you're buying your insurance through the marketplace can send the insurance company a bill for 3.5% of the premium. Most people don't realize that. If you buy your insurance through the marketplace, you are actually increasing next year's insurance premiums. So let's quickly recap here. Using an independent insurance agent, you're getting the individual who is licensed and capable of helping you out across the marketplace with multiple insurance companies to help you find the best product for your situation. And one thing when I say your situation is we might ask you a little bit about your health history. That in today's marketplace does not affect your insurability. You can still get the insurance, but it gives us a really good idea as to how you might use the insurance. So once again, you can purchase the best product with the best company for your personal situation. We're invested in your local community. You could see us in your grocery store, buying a new car at the dealership, or running along that bike path. And as always, please look at the number on the bottom of your screen here, my email address. Don't hesitate to give me a call during this open enrollment season.